Hi everyone, welcome to Jay's How-To channel. I used to be an electronics technician in the US Navy. I was on a ship called the USS Duncan. It was an FFG, fast frigate with guided missiles, and I repaired radios and crypto equipment. When I got out of the Navy, I started repairing medical equipment, centrifuges, electric motors, all sorts of electronic devices. Then I was a field engineer and I worked for RAM Mobile Data, Bell South Wireless Data, Singular, and Sprint. It was all the same company name, they just changed their names. All that said, I work really well with electronics. Today I'm going to teach you how to install a ceiling fan. Let's get into the house and I'll show you how to.
The light in my bright eyes when you're near, the fluttering I feel in my chest when you are here. I can't explain this kind of love. It pulls me to you, I want it, I can't get enough.
All right, first let's turn off the breaker. It's this one right here. Now let's start removing this old ceiling fan. Start by removing the chain and the lampshade. Then unscrewing the lamp fixture. And then disconnecting the lamp fixture. Now I'm removing the motor from the mounting bracket. Now I'm removing the mounting bracket. Okay, let's prepare this motor for installation. Get all these parts in the right order. You can review the instruction manual, which includes all necessary information. Feed the wire through the pipe. I have the ceiling fan listed in the description below the video. You can attach the clevis pin through the pipe. Then install the cotter pin. Now let's slide this cover plate down. Okay, now I'm installing the mounting plate. And tightening the screws down. If you guys like my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, nice and solid. Let's get this motor up in the air. And now moving on to the wiring. Now you want to make sure you get all three ground wires pulled together. Use a wire nut and make it very tight. And now moving on to the white wire, which is the neutral wire. Want to make sure the tips are even. And use the wire nuts to make it super tight. Now moving on to the hot wire. And again, make the wire nuts super tight. Okay, this is the remote control pack. This is for the lights and the fan. The fan has 3 different speeds and an off button. Okay, I'm feeding these wires through the back side of the mounting bracket. It's so difficult to get this remote control pack in place. There you go. I got it. All right, let's get all these wires tucked in place. And then get the ceiling fan cover in place too. All right, there you go. Man, that was difficult. Now let's get the screws in place and tighten them down. And now secure the bezel to hide the screws. Okay, moving on to the fan blades, and we're going to install all 5 of them. This is really simple. They just snap in place. They kind of look like airplane wings. All right, now I'm cutting this rubber band off with my pocket knife. And coming in, attaching the light fixture. Clipping this on with a small cable and attaching the wiring. We've got magnets to hold the ceiling light in place. And now turning on the breaker. This remote control is really special. It has 3 different light modes: bright, soft, and medium. And now turning on the fan, we have 3 different speeds on the fan. And you can turn off the light. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Jay's How To channel. Really appreciate you.